Okay, okay. Mute lo.
Hi all, good day to one and all. Today I'd like to discuss about migrate your data. Means previously we used to call it as LTMC. Now it was migrated to now it was changed as the migrate your data. So migrate your data is nothing but as your LSMW, legacy transfer migration cockpit, or like legacy system migration workbench or anything. So now So I'll show you how to upload the GL accounts. So group GL accounts are any GL accounts how to upload. Previously, I done with migrate your data with cost centers. Now I'm going to show the GL accounts I'm doing for my client. So I'm showing it on the trial system. So the transaction code is this. For logging into Fiori application, just click on this button, enter, and click on allow. So after allowing it, it will show you a link. So if it works in the Internet Explorer, you can go ahead, or else copy the same link in the Google and paste like this. So my user ID is, and so you as your user ID, you have to you login. So now I had clicked on login. So basically, Fury application will be very slow. Make sure that it will not run like your SAP. So now coming to Fury application is very easy tile. Now, for example, say if you nowadays due to the rapid generation, all the things are moving in the smartphones. So SAP has introduced a new technology called Fury application. This we can check the reports. Up to now, we can check only the up to reports only we can check. In the future, we might get postings means for F-02 axis or F-03. I mean any display. For the current time being, we can check only the reports, not beyond that. Okay. Now in the search button, you type migrate. So migrate your data. So migrate your data. Click on migrate your data. Now after clicking your migrate your data, just click on create button. Just click on create button. So here I told you actually, so migrate data from SAP system or migrate data from the stacking tables. So what is the stacking tables and what is SAP? So this is an SAP to SAP direct from a SAP to SAP. We can transfer the data from within SAP to SAP and migrate your data using the stacking tables. Here, what is the stacking tables? Stacking tables are nothing but temporary tables. So what SAP do is while uploading this data, system will create some stacking tables, means temporary tables. So, and system will store the data in the tables, and by after uploading, the system will automatically close the stacking tables. Now I'll show you how the stacking table works and how the flow will be there. So now click on this migrate data, means migrate your data, and the means this option is related completely of SAP to SAP, and this option is related to that you have to upload the template, means you have to upload the template. Now you all knows that LSMW, we have an option of LSMW to create our own template, but in migrate your data, no, we don't have our own template. So we can edit the template with LTMOM. That video also has been uploaded to the YouTube. You can look into that. So currently coming to the topic, migrate your data using the stacking tables. Now click on the stacking tables option. Now say, so it will be a bit slower. So all the Fury applications will be slower only. So you say group GL accounts upload. Okay, group GL accounts upload. So here also there is I have added to the dictionary. There will be option for spell check as well. Okay, my company code is 1000 hyphen groups. Any name. Okay. So migrate your data approach means migrate your data is nothing but your stacking tables. Okay. This is what kind of approach you are following. You are following there is a two approaches in migrate your data. One is internal transfer and one is with the stacking tables. So mass transfer ID. What is this mass transfer ID? Mass transfer ID is nothing but one type of TR. So when you are developing any things, like say you had done a configuration in DAO and you want to move the changes to QA. So that's you will ask the basis team, this is my TR, I had released the TR. Could you please move the changes to quality? Like that, the same way this mass transfer ID work. It is kind of one type of activity. So you can say your to your basis team that my mass transfer ID is this. Can you please import my program to quality system or production system? So depends upon the requirement. Okay. Now click on the local SAP database schema. So this is a remote means the system where it is located like cloud, data. No. So, uh, so now just click on, so you had selected your own and just click on the drop down and click on the step 2 button. So step 2 button, click on the step 2 button. So once now select your local package. Okay, local package, select your local package. Local package is nothing but template that you are uploading. Okay, other package means interface between, you have to create an RFC remote functional call and import the data. That's not our timing. So we are uploading the data using the template. So it's TMP. Okay, now click on the step 3. After clicking the step 3, here I told you, you are also knowing that in SAP 2020 versions, SAP provided only LTMC. Now it was migrated. So there is a different platform for migrating the stacking tables. So let's see how the tables is created. I'll show you. So now check what are the templates. These are the predefined templates. Means SAP has provided the predefined templates. Now check. Click on the click on, so what are your templates? Now you are going to do your GL accounts. So F5 GL accounts. So GL accounts, click this F5 GL account. And there was previously there is no this template. So this template, previously there is no this template in before versions. Now in this version, F5 GL account extending records by new organization level means this we can copy. So you know that we can copy one GL account to other, means one GL account. Say for example, I have GL number one, I should copy to company code 200. Yes, it is possible. The same way it has, the template has been provided. Okay, I think you understood. I'll repeat once again. So now you have a GL number one in 1000 company code. Now you want to extend this company code to 2000 using FSW0 will extend to 2000, right? So like that way the template is provided as well. Okay, but this is the template. Now this is the new template, means this is the new change happened in the current version 2022. Okay, now I'm clicking this button. After clicking this button, this will come this side. It's like selecting a layout. Click on the review button. After clicking the review button, so finally it tells that, so generally, what is generally, so migrate your data using the stacking table. Our approach is now group GL accounts upload 100K Krishna groups is my company code, and local data means we are selecting the local base and file format is template. And so in the meanwhile you can edit what however you need. Okay, now just click on create the project. It will take some time, don't get. So the project will be created. Now just there will be one running activity. Just wait for some time, please. It will be the latest one. Means where you created means it will stay on the top. See, there is a running activity. Means running activity means the activity is creating in the backend. Okay. Let system create. So it will take some time. It could. preparing the project started. So you do the running activity. And what is the running activity? System is checking what are the running activity. So it is running. So when time started means the project is getting started. Means it took little bit delay. So process end. Now it was moved. So now go back. Sometimes it will get stuck. Migrate your data. See, it was there, right? Now click on this. Now select this corner button. Okay. Select this corner button. After selecting, see SAP tables. Five. What are the five tables? Now just click on the five tables. Let's see. So see, what are the five tables? General data, controlling area data, company code data, account name, and account. How these tables are created? So based on the template you had selected, okay, you had selected the GL accounts template. So general data, controlling data, company code. Let's download the template and observe. We'll find here. So you are able to see, right? So tables are general data. Yes, general technical name, technical ID. So these are the tables. Yes, general. Yes, controlling area. Yes, company code. Yes, K1 text. Yes, K1 keyword. Okay, these are the table names. So how this came based on your template. Clear now? So I'm going once again, I'm clicking on the back. So no tables. Let's click on the download template. I'll show you. Once template is downloaded, see here, this is a new option again. So previous versions, we don't have this CSV file format. Now the file format we have was two options we have, either XML or .csv file. Okay, so you can choose as per your activities. So I'm just clicking on OK. I'm choosing an XML format. So click on OK. So the file is getting downloaded. See, download. Let me open the file and I'll come back to the tables again. See, I'll open the tables for you. So file. Sorry, here it won't open, I think. So it will be in the downloads, don't worry. So general data, controlling data, company code data, right? So let me open my download option. Let me open my download button. So downloads. So I'm selecting the top level. So just click on it, enable button. So click on the fields list. So one more thing I want to tell you before the fields list. See, the highlighted in yellow means general data. See, these are the general data, controlling area data, company code data, and what accounting names and keywords. So let me go to the file. So general data based on your selected file, the tables will be created by the backend with SAP. Once this is done, system will close the tables. I think hope you are clear at the moment. So how this comes based on the system, based on the selected file or selected template you had created. So by that way, system will create the stacking tables. Stacking tables are nothing but temporary tables. Okay, you take for the time being. Now say let me go to the file. So introduction. So introduction is the migration cockpit of these are the complete name of the complete information. You can check the prerequisites and all if you want and the field list. So see, in the field list means sheet number one, general data means mandatory. You have to fill this option as a mandatory. Okay. So mandatory means these are chart of accounts, GL accounts, GL account type, GL account group. This is the mandatory that you have to confirm. Make sure that you have to fill this. Okay. And again, see controlling area. This is optional. So this is optional. You can go ahead with an option. See company code data. It is also optional. And now I'm creating group GL accounts. Okay. Now account names are mandatory. So I'm creating a group GL accounts. Group GL accounts, you are all familiar with the group GL accounts, I think. Now go to the general data. So for example, I have an existing file. So chart of accounts. My chart of accounts is 1001 and the GL account say, for example, 1000. My GL account type. What is the type? You know, what is the type? See, type means, let me open FSP. Either it is what? GL account type means XBPSC. Okay. Balance sheet accounts, non-operating expenses, primary cost and revenue, secondary cost and revenue. So like this you can say. So sorry, like this. So my this is N. So again, so it is not required. So the you see opposite the on the star means star indicates that this field is mandatory. So what is your GL account group? Means GL account group. GL account group is in OBD for what's your group? Say 10. So I'll show you my OBD for also. So OBD for. So what is my chart of accounts here? My chart of accounts is 1001. It's my group chart of accounts. So in my group chart of accounts, my number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 7 length. In the 7 length, my material expenses is this one. So now let me go to the sheet again. Sorry, let me go to the template once again. Say 10. You are clear, right? 10. So and now it's done. So again, I'm going to group this name. So my chart of accounts is 1001. My GL account is 1004567. And language is EN. So short term test 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 -1. So again TEST test word -1. Okay, just so my PNL account type is G1 means group GL account. This is optional. You can view or you may not. So first for the time being, I'll take one and rest will take multiple and upload and we'll see what will happen. So in the chart of accounts, GL account, G1 and group and rest of accounting names, I had given the names. So rest of the things are optional for the time being. Now click on the file. So click on save. Yes, the file got saved. Now let me upload this file. Let's see what will happen. So see, let me upload this file. Upload it. Click on upload file. Now it was migrated. Just click on this. So click on upload file. Source one. First one is my source one. And now system will check. Okay. What system is validating? See validation schedule. Validation schedule means system is reading the file, whether we had maintained the appropriate data or not. Okay. It will take a few seconds to validate by the system and it will automatically give us see validation in progress. So once validation is done, system will give one more message. See validation failed. Why validation failed? Show the message. So the message means in the sheet, account name recorded as 1001 and see 100 does not exist in the high level hierarchy. So I think uh, validation failed sources of FI1. Okay, I got okay. In the sheet account name. So 1001. Let me see what is this. Okay. General data. Let me go to the general data. Here, that is a mistake. Okay, you got my point now. So again, I have to give one more. So 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a problem, right? So again save, and go back once. So delete this file. So click on this delete file. Okay, click on now. Again, click on upload button. Source one. After clicking on the source one, now let's see what will the system will throw. Validation schedule. Validation schedule. Like that file will throw an error. So anything is missing or anything is problem, then system. So again, validation failed. What is the validation again? What had the problem? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Does not exist in the hierarchy. What is this? Let's check. Correct. Then this is also correct. Yeah, this is also correct. Why is again it is showing in errors? Okay, account names, huh? Let's see what is account names. Oh shit. This is the problem again. See, thousand instead of 101, 1001, I had maintained this one. Account names will go also. Okay, account names are perfect again. Now you say on re-upload the file. So means why I am showing the errors means you will get the validation means property resolution like instead of checking Google's and all. So that's what I'm checking out. We can check like this. Okay. Now delete this file again. Upload. Upload source one again. Now we will see what is the error like. If the error comes properly or scheduled properly. We'll see what kind of activity. Yes, transferring the data to the stacking tables. So data is transferring the tables. Again, there will be one more message. See, one more message. Just wait. See, data successfully transferred to the stacking tables. Now go to the table option, select how many we have had. So system will show you where the data means in which tables data stored. So we had filled general data in the template and accounting name in the template. You are sure, right? So what we did in the general data, we had filled the template and accounting name, we had filled the template. Okay. Now I'm closing, maybe it will be get locked. So that's the reason one it has taken. Correct now? Now just click on back button. Now just click on prepare. So just click on prepare. First download the template, upload the file, and third step is preparation. Now click on the preparation. So prepare the stacking tables. Just click on the stacking tables. So not started. Let's see in the preparation. It's so I here it will get a message here running one activity. See, preparing the starting table started means data is started. Data is preparing to upload. Okay, these are the steps on. Let's start. Means system is preparing the template. Okay. Make sure don't go see when you get struck with an error, kindly please read the error message of the messages of the message because the solution will be there itself. When you got stuck, especially this migration will be, you'll have multiple errors. So it will get struck means when we do this kind of activities, even me or my friends or anybody, okay, you'll get stuck. Please don't get confused or don't get panic on this. Okay. So it will take time. Don't worry. System will do this. Means at the first time, second time, no. The Fury apps are like this. Previously, it will be very, very slow comparing to now. No, it is working fast comparing to the previous one. See. So instance one, open file, not started file means. So in the table instant there is 00 errors. Now what is this mapping task? We have to confirm the system that these are correct data. So click on the mapping task and we have to confirm our GL accounts. So what is it? GL accounts. We can select all and we can confirm at the single moment, but please don't do this kind of activity. We don't know system is picking our own data or some other one data because sometimes it will take some other data due to some technical glitch or technical bug. Okay, never confirm here, please. Okay, select individually. So what is mappings? So you have, for the GL accounts, you can confirm here because you do have a number of numbers. So you can directly check here and you can click on the confirm. Okay, so I'll tell you. So I'll go individually and the GL accounts, I'll show you why we should confirm here. So now what is my chart of accounts? So my chart of accounts is, so select this. If you have multiple, you can click on this button and we can click all, select all. So select this one and confirm. So my chart of accounts is correct. Next one, my mapping GL account. So mapping GL account. What is my mapping GL account? So now select this one. So my GL account is 10. So correct. My account group. Okay. My account group. Now say what is my ledger type? What is my ledger type? It's a non-operating income. So click on this one and click on confirm. Now it is confirmed. Now what is my language? So system shows, we can select in the drop down as well. So what is EN? EN means system will show English. Okay. We can select and confirm in the drop down as well. So we cannot add the data here. Okay. Remember, we cannot add the data, but we can delete the values. No problem. But we cannot add the data. Okay. We had confirmed. Now GL account is, for example, instead of one, you have multiple GLs. Instead of one, you have 30 to 40 GLs. So instead of confirming here, you can confirm at outside level. Why? Because if you confirm all this, if you select the source value, it will only select the 30, means one page. You have to do all the pages. If you have 500, 600, you have to go by page down, clicking page down, select all, clicking. Instead of that, you just deselect this one, just come out of this. So now click on this and confirm. So what will happen? All the entries will, for the GL accounts, all the activities will confirm. For the rest of other activities, request you to please don't do this. Okay. Because you may not know when the system has picked the other one data, then all the data will be gone wrong. Okay. And system won't upload properly. So click 1 second. I'm just clicking on the reconnect. There is a network issue in my system. I'm sorry, guys. So click on the refresh. I'm so sorry. So data has confirmed successfully. Means you had confirmed to the system the data which was entered in the sheet was accurate or correct. Now go back. Now go back. Now stimulate means system will stimulate. Stimulation means it won't show you the entry. But like we not it won't show you the entry, but it will back and list correct check cross check the data one more time. Okay, just start to just click on the stimulation. This is fifth step here. Just click on the switch, start simulation. Don't change any other, just click on start simulation. Now system is starting the stimulation. In the table level, we know automatically the document has prepared. Say stimulation migration started. There is one more one running activity. It will take some time to read. Say, for example, you have one single line item, why it is taking this much statements, Fiori application is like that, it will be slow. Okay, not only here, everywhere it will be slow. In the coming versions, it will be speeder, speeder, speeder. Okay, so we have many multiple changes now, like that it will also be changed. But they has introduced it like this, right? It will be it will be slower. Okay, and not only in this system, every system is like that. Even in the real-time systems also. This mode will check the configuration of the system. Okay, what is my length? What is my OBD4? What is my account groups? All the activities are all there or not. System will check this activity. The configuration means OBD4 and OB13 and account groups. It will check. It will revalidate this. Revalidate. There will be no refresh button. Huh? Don't refresh it also. System automatically will get that. If it is succeeded, it will show successful one. If it is error, it will show error one here. So let me pause the recording. It will take some more time. Hmm. So it has completed. Now the table level, it has successfully verified an instance. See, there is no error. So what is the system showing? It has validated all the activities. Now you can click on the migrate. This is the last step. So how many succeeded, how many errors? See, mapping task done 5, stimulation. These are the steps. Mapping task done, stimulation done. Migration is not yet started. So now select, click on the migration button. Now system will create in the SAP. Now just click on migration or you can select from the drop down. Okay, that is up to you. Both are same. Now click on the start migration. So here, so you want random all instance, all successful instance. So what this means is, so randomly you want to select, it is also possible. Random 500 is also possible. All instance means in the file all the activities. So all the successful stimulation instance. For example, say there are some failures. Say for example, I have 20 documents in that 4 got failure. So irrespective of that, I need all means rest of the 16 I can means I say I'll ask the system to upload. That is also possible. Custom selection. So I want I want some respective files. So say custom selection start migration. So that we'll see in the next step. Kindly please don't go beyond that. Don't get confused or just click on the start migration, click on OK. Next time I'll show you the custom migration. Yeah. So migration started. So let me pause the recording. It will take some more time, I think. So I'm pausing the recording. So I'm pausing the recording because the video will get length too much because of the system slowness. Proceed. So successfully completed one and the migration is completed 100%. So again, system what is showing, it is taking us to first file means we had created our uploading. We had created all the steps successfully, or we had done all the steps successfully. See, migration one successful completed. Now go to the table. Now go to the table level. See, see system what it did. System has taken one. So everything table status, everything is okay. If you want to click this, we'll get the complete information here. So see, these are all the characters in the table stored. Okay. So, okay, everything is stored. Now go to SAP. So /n FSP01. So FSP0, I'll go to the settings and hierarchy display. So display navigation tree. Okay. Again, /n FSP0. See, this GL account was created successfully. Okay, keywords, information, everything is done. Now, if you can check in the table level. So now we will do multiple upload. Okay, multiple upload. So in the multiple upload, I might get succeeded or I might get errors. I will resolve that in offline, but the process will be same. Okay, let me go again, go back, go back. So in the table, in the same table, so again I am uploading the file in the same format. So I had already downloaded the template. So template like multiple. See, I had already a pre-built template with me. So source GL account. So this is my pre-built template. So in the general, these are my chart of accounts and length, everything is equal. Everything is same. See, my I had shown you, right? So 10123 like that. So GL account and G1 is my 100. This is my account group and the account name. You're familiar, all I have done with my activities and all. So like this. Now I had completed all the settings. Now just go back and see what is the last number in the account name. So what is the 196? Correct, no? So go to the general data and check what is the last 196. Correct. What is my okay 1000? Here, what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. And again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Now let's upload the file. Just click on save button. Just click on save button. You are all familiar with this. Now click on the button again. Now I am uploading the same file. Click on upload button. So I'm selecting the source one button. Let's see how well system will get reacted. Again, system validation scheduled. Validation schedule now. Now again, the second step two will be transferring the data scheduled. Again, there will be transferring data to the stacking tables will be there. See, data successfully happened. So what is happening? 189. No, 189, I think wrong, or 189. So go to the tables. See, 189. Okay, 189. Now just go back, start preparation. So preparation again. Now system will validate 188. So into 189 PM. Let's take an 188. Let's see. Preparation, it is running the activity preparation. Okay, 188 plus previously one succeeded, right? That's why it is taking 189. Okay, if there is any mistake, system won't take. Okay, so previously there is one item. So now see, one succeeded, one wait. So see why I am pausing the recording means the video length will be very high. So instead of that, I'm pausing the recording. Okay, the same process I did not pause the recording previously. The same process we have to follow. Okay, I'm pausing the recording because video length will be high. See, running activity 0. Errors means previous error messages. Now again, mapping tasks. Now select. You can select here or you can select from the drop down. That is okay for you. Okay, anything is okay. Now select. We have to confirm the GL account. So previously it has taken that GL accounts, right? Now GL mapping. See, we have 10. So system is asking 10. So just double click on this. So we can select all it and confirm here, but please don't do this because it will, if system picks some other data, then you will get multiple errors. That will be problem to you. Okay. So double click on the GL accounts groups. So system will show you. Now go to OBD4 first. Slash in OBD4. In the OBD4, I may one. So see, these are my account groups up to 90. So what 10, 11, 12, 20, 22, 30, 31, 32, 33, 40, 41 is my account groups. Now let's go to the system. So what 90 is there? Yes. 41 is there, 40 is there, 30 is there, 21, 12. All are there. All are there. So now I'm clicking on source means all will select and click on confirm. All will be confirmed. All will be confirmed. So we'll get now mapping GL accounts. So what is this GL account types? So we have now X, Y, Z, right? Previously only and now select this button, all, and click on confirm values. Okay, sometimes due to some technical glitch, but you will have an error. So you will have an issue. So now we have only, so say for example, GL accounts. So now we have 188 GL accounts here, correct? No, 188. So already there will be one confirm. If I want to select and confirm here, say confirm. So system won't confirm all. Okay, it has confirmed some confirm value. So if we click on the drop down again, so click on the more button. Here again you have to confirm. So instead of confirming here, you just go outside and just click on here and confirm. So all will be confirmed at the single time. But don't do this for other activities. Rest only for the GL accounts will be multiple, right? So you do confirm here itself. Okay. So just refresh it. It was confirmed successfully. Now there will be stimulate option. Stimulate. Start. The stimulate version, what I said, system will validate your configuration stuff. Okay. System will validate your configuration stuff. So once again, I'm going to pause the recording. See, now what I have 17 error messages. Okay, stimulation completed with errors. So what I want to do means I want to proceed this. I'll ignore these 17 messages. Yes, it is possible. So what you have to do is what we'll check what is the error messages. Okay, what is the error messages? We'll check later on. We will go ahead and stimulate how to create. Let's see. So 201 PN. So just click on this. So what is going to say GL account 20001. What is this? Account group, I think. Account group 20, correct. So 200. Let's see this account group once. And account group 20. Yes, this is the problem. So what is the account group 20 here? So account group, sorry, what is the file? Let me write them down. So two. The what is the number range? 21. That's the why the error came. Okay. So so what I will do is I'll do the 17 errors myself in the offline. Just let's see. After stimulating, so we'll migrate this data. Now click on migrate. So migrate data. So what I will do in the migrate, see all successful stimulation instance. I'll select this option. Why? Because 17 errors are there, right? Now just click on start migration. Okay, I want to migrate this. I'm clicking OK. I shown you the error, right? So the process will be the same. Now, I'll means what the happened in the file, the data was entered wrongly. Correct now? So that's the reason. That's the reason it is problem. It is making the problem. So let's see. So migration started. Migration started. What will system do? It's supposed to create. So what is our data? 188. So system will release this one, means that 17 out of 17, and we have to create the rest. System has to create the rest. So data is migrating data started. So I'm pausing the recording one more time. I would like to say I'm pausing the recording due to some problems. Means the video length will be higher. So it will be boring for your content. See, I had shown you the what kind of options are available in migrate your data. So request you to follow as per the activities, and you might get succeeded. Hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you once again. And make sure don't get a panic. SAP is a ocean. Everybody knows nothing. Okay. Thank you. Okay. See, 70 means 91% completed. Means now see 172 GLs was successful. So 17 is equal to 188. Now check in FSP0 whether the GL accounts are created finally. The GL are created. Okay. This is the update. Thank you guys. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.